Are you looking for the best walking pad treadmill for seniors? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure best walking pad treadmill for seniors, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Walking Pad with Incline. Experience Walking Pad with Incline. Walking Pad Treadmill, 365 days, worry-free plan. Walking Pad with Incline. Treadmill with Incline utilizes an 8% manual incline feature to increase calorie burn and simulate a realistic running hill climb scenario, offers more fat-burning effect. The manual incline design is more compact and convenient for an enjoyable home or office workout. Walking Pad Treadmill, 365 days, worry-free plan. Walking Pad with Incline. Treadmill with Incline utilizes an 8% manual incline feature to increase calorie burn and simulate a realistic running hill climb scenario, offers more fat-burning effect. The manual incline design is more compact and convenient for an enjoyable home or office workout. Walking Pad Treadmill, 365 days, worry-free plan. Product number 2. High-Fast Walking Pad Treadmill Experience. High-Fast Walking Pad Treadmill. Space-saving foldable treadmills design. High-fast small treadmills for home use, the one-step folding system shrinks to 4.25H, L47.3 by W22.6. Fits under beds or sofas, no assembly needed. This portable treadmill with wheels moves on carpet or hardwood, 46.5 pounds. Unbox and walk in 30 seconds for apartments and small spaces. Commercial 2.5 HP motor and 3-in-1 treadmill. Switch seamlessly between walking 0.6 to 2 mph, jogging 2 to 4 mph, and running 4 to 7.6 mph modes. This under-desk walking pod powered by a safety-certified 2.5 HP peak motor with auto shutdown protection against overheating. Walking mode, steady under-desk strides during work hours. Jogging mode, gentle cardio with... Product number 3. Urevo Stroll 2E Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Experience Urevo Stroll 2E Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Every effort matters. Sync the treadmill with the Urevo Sport app to track your progress and access detailed workout reports. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, the app complements your fitness journey. Note, apply lubricant every 125 miles. Leaves exercise your way. Switch between 2 modes. Open running mode, 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour for an intense workout, and folding walking mode, 0.6 to 4 miles per hour for low-impact, convenient exercise while working. The treadmill is perfect for use under your desk and comes with a remote control featuring a Product number 4. Home Walking Pod Treadmill, 12% incline. Experience Home Walking Pod Treadmill, 12% incline. Smart treadmill for home use. This adjustable handlebar walking pod treadmill features an incline and height adjustment, promoting a comfortable workout for users of all ages, from teens to seniors. With intuitive app connectivity, it enhances your fitness journey, making it perfect for small families seeking a convenient and effective exercise solution. Maximize your results with incline training. Elevate your workout with our self-propelled walking pad featuring 3 manual incline settings up to 12%. Simulate a challenging climb that effectively boosts calorie burn. Training on an incline can enhance your fitness regimen by burning significantly more calories. Product number 5. Portable Folding Walking Pad Treadmill with Incline. Experience Portable Folding Walking Pad Treadmill with Incline. Compact treadmills for home. Discover the ideal folding treadmill for limited spaces with folded dimensions of 47.2L by 20.4W by 6.2H. This mini walking mat treadmill fits perfectly in small areas. The user-friendly LCD screen displays time, speed, distance, calories, and total distance, battery not included, making your workouts efficient and enjoyable. Multifunctional home gym solution. Elevate your fitness routine with our incline treadmill, featuring 3 incline levels and height adjustable handles. This treadmill accommodates various fitness levels. The built-in sit-up rock transforms your home workout experience, making it an